Hey, what's good, guys? Hope y'all doing wonderful on the day like today. But what we doing today, we got this little package right here. We're gonna see what's in it, so give me a second. I'm gonna open this up. Yep, so we got the new lights. It's gonna replace these trash amber lights that we originally had to LED. And hello, this is my first time sitting in the back seat. It's kind of spacious back here. There's actually a lot of room. But we're gonna be replacing this light, these two lights up here, both of these, and then there's a light in the trunk and a light on the license plate, the back license plate that we're gonna replace. Gonna put all LEDs on there. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, just installing that. But first, let me show y'all real quick. I got the car tinted. I actually did it last week. I got it done pretty much 3 days or 4 days of me owning the car. Like, I feel like this is just the default thing you gotta do. Like, if you get a new car, you gotta tint the windows, bro. No matter what car you got, you gotta tint the windows, bro. Like, why would you want people peeking in? But looks nice. This is just 35s all around, and then I got 30 on the top. I was gonna do darker, but I still want to see. I changed my license plate frame, and what came with that was just like these like little air caps. Just like, it just says N on it. Before, they were gray ones. Here, I'll show you what it looked like. It was these like little gray ones right here. So I just changed those out, and I think it looks kind of nice. It's something you wouldn't notice unless you're really looking for it, but it just gives an extra shine. So just taking everything out the packaging here. These are the lights right here that we're gonna install. These are all the installations. Now, I noticed that on the packaging it says 2022 to 2023 Hyundai Elantra N's, but this says 2022 to present Elantra N's. So I hope if it's my 2025 one, it should, because I don't think the lights change, but I don't know if the fitment's different. But yeah, we got the little install tool here. I also got some flathead, just in case, as well as like a little mini one as well, just in case I need to get really in there. And some pliers. I shouldn't need that, but just in case, like, I struggle to get the light out. I don't want to break the light, but you know, just in case I need to. So yeah, we're gonna see how these go. I guess we're gonna start with the we'll start with like the little front little mirrors there. Let's just start there. Okay, I decided to put y'all on a tripod because I feel like I'm constantly moving the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off. I'm gonna get the big screwdriver for more leverage first. Well, let's just see how this goes real quick. So I guess we'll start over here and just pop it off. Wow. That took a lot more pressure than I thought it would take. But now we got the light, so now I can reach the light a little bit better. So let me go ahead and give you a better angle. All right, so this is what it looks like here. So to get this out, there's this little thing right here. I'm gonna pull this down, and you see like it kind of moves the light up a little bit. It's releasing a little bit of the pressure, and then I'm going to use like a screwdriver and basically pop it out. So I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for this. Oh crap, oh my gosh, the orange tool went between the seats. Okay, well, I have to get that. Hold on. Golly, it's windy. Oh, okay. Yep, this is tough. This is tough, all right. Glad I'm in the car today. Oh my gosh, that was super windy. I got the tool though. I got the tool. I got it. So now all we're gonna do is just install this. Oh wow, that snapped in way easier. Okay, I have it in backwards. We got light though. All right, so I got it in. I had to turn it around so the actual like LED bulbs in it are facing this way. And now, watch this. Woo! got light. We got light. And now all we have to do is just put it back in with one hand if I can. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna need two hands, hold on. All right, we got it on. In order for me to get it in the headliner, I had to literally just go like, I had to go like that. But boom, we got the light on, so we're good. So on to the next. The next one should be a lot easier because this was the first one. So now that I know how it works, I understand it now. So let's continue. Come on. Got it. Taking out the bulb, honestly, is kind of the hardest part here.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
I broke it. Can't use that. That one, for some reason, did not want to come out. I don't know what happened. I did the exact same technique with the other one like I did this one. I'm not too sure why that one was way harder. Okay. All right. Wow. Regardless, we can still put this one on anyway. As long as we can still put it on, that's all that matters. At least we still have a light. There it goes. That's the light. It worked. So now, to put it back in, literally I just like, okay, that didn't work. Now we got these two lights that we're gonna work on. Oh, okay. I see. That was a lot easier. So if you're gonna pop these ones out, make sure to go in through this side. Go in through this angle right here. Okay, so this is basically what the light looks like. This is the button that turns on the light. And that's the bulb right there. This is what we're gonna be installing in. So literally all we do is just pull this out, right? And then we literally just slide this in. It literally has a slide and slot just like that, boom. And then it works. Literally the easiest install probably so far. That's mad easy. So let's do the same thing to the other side. All right, just did it, put the covers back on, and now they both working nice. So now let's move on to the back seat. All right, now we got this one, the back. We're just gonna pry this open. I believe there's some clips in here that I need to pry open. Oh, that was really easy. Okay. The light's right here. So all we do is just, oh, I guess I can actually just pull it out. Got it. And we're just gonna go ahead and put one of these puppies in. Make sure, again, the light portion of it is facing down. All right, let's test it. Pretty good, pretty good. And now we're going to go ahead and put this cover back on. Well, it was good up until the back piece didn't want to go in. Hold on, let me restart it. Let me try that again. There we go. All right, gang, we're in the trunk. To take this off, all you gotta do is get like a little mini screwdriver, Phillips head, whatever, something to pry into that. There's a little like, kind of like lever right here. Press into that, pull down, and this pops off. And we're probably gonna have to unplug this and do it from inside the car. So I'm probably gonna do that real quick, so give me a second. Or take this piece out. All you gotta do is just pull like this way, and eventually it finally pops out. That took me a while to do. I had to do that off camera a little bit, but this is pretty much it. All you gotta do is just pop this out and then slide one of these bad boys in there. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. Let me see if I can do that on cam. Oh, wow, yeah, that was super easy. Okay, now let's grab one of the small boys here. And of course, make sure this is facing down. Fits perfectly. And now we just put the casing back on. Should snap back on. Yep, snap back on. And I will put that back in the trunk. All right, and now all we have to do is just re-clip this, put that back in. Oh, look at that already. And just slide that back in. Boom. And now the last thing I need would just be the lights under the license plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So for this one, what you have to do, this is on the right side. There's a little clip right here. You just push in and down, and then this will, it'll just be hanging. Once you get it off, it'll be hanging kind of like this. And then all you do is you just twist this off. You just twist it like you twist it this way, and then boom, it pops off. And then we got the light right here, and literally just pull that, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put one of these bad boys. And there you go. All I did was just snap it back on, and boom. I couldn't show y'all because it's a two-hand thing, but this is basically what it looks like. It's seriously really easy, like install, probably the easiest one on the back. Literally just pop this out, twist it, pop it, and then pop out the light bulb, put in the new one, put it back in, twist, and just slap it back on. That's easy. So that's all of the lights. The lights, they're looking real nice, man. They're looking real nice. So that's about it for this video. Here are the old lights. I'm just gonna keep this in my glove compartment, and that one I'm gonna have to trash. But yeah, it's not meant to be like a tutorial or anything. It's just supposed to be showing, you know, what I'm doing to my car. So if y'all like this video, I'll keep giving y'all more of everything I do to this car. But for now, I hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all in the next one. I wanted to record a quick clip of how it looked like at night, and this is essentially what it looks like. Yep, that's that. Super bright. These ones are super bright. Under the mirror, little N logo that lights up, and the back seat is pretty bright. And then the trunk light is really good too, really bright. Then of course the license plate lights up too. So overall, really bright. These middle ones here aren't that bright, but they're bright enough. But every other light is super bright, so really happy with it.